back to the channel. Today, y'all, we're on the way to a truck and car meet right now. We probably like, let me see, we're like 9 minutes out from the show. I'm gonna get some good footage for y'all boys. I've been, if y'all seen a couple videos, past videos, y'all see that some of the videos, they kind of like scattered up. And the only reason that because, you know, I'm trying to catch as much footage for y'all because, like, I've been doing a lot of wheel light installs lately, man. It's like, I've been getting so many installs lately, it's crazy, bro. Like, comment below if y'all really want me to start vlogging, like, my installs, because I'll shoot that footage for y'all now, like, for real. At first, I didn't feel comfortable doing it due to, like, my phone storage, but we got a camera now, and I feel more comfortable just letting the footage roll through, let y'all see how I do all my installs and everything. Upcoming shows we got this year, y'all. We got Lone Star Throwdown. We got what else we got coming up? Oh, I got a big surprise for y'all coming up soon. I don't want to speak on it. You know, we got Scraping the Coast coming up as well, and some other shows coming up as well. Oh, Alabama Truck Week next week. Alabama Truck, not even next week, I think it's like next Saturday, something like that. Yeah, so next Saturday, so y'all stay tuned for that footage. We're gonna be out there. Me, Popping Clutches, Elphin crew. I tried to get 04 Track to come out there, but he said he ain't gonna be able to 38 feet. He said he ain't gonna be able to make it because he out there in Alabama right now as we speak. I had just got the phone with him earlier. Cause he wanted me to slide out there, but I got a lot of family events going on this weekend. Plus my mother's birthday, stuff like that, so yeah, bro. But right now, let me go get this footage for y'all boys about to head out there to that truck show. Let's see. Dino. It's all over YouTube and everything.
So you YouTube famous?
Yeah, like that.
That's good, man. That's what I'm talking about. We got to link up. I got a lot of stuff coming and stuff connected motorsports.
Yeah, we could definitely do that. I'm definitely down for all that.
Okay, yeah, let's put it together, definitely.
Yeah, you got like Instagram, something like that?
I got the guys building all of it, and then I just hooked up with him, so
okay, cool.
I'll let him handle all of that stuff. I'm fresh out here.
I ain't get with you
9 months.
Yeah, just get him.
I got somebody
we could definitely go get something big popping, like for real.
Definitely, let's put it together.
I got a lot of people pulling up, like for real. What's up, man?
What's up, brother? I don't know.
Let's see that vid. So y'all see it. It's still recording? It's still recording? Oh yeah, we all say we out you.
Hey, Juvie.
So yeah, you see us, we out here, man, at what this is, Connected Motorsports and Two Bros Auto Detailing. They got a little show going on. We plan on collaborating with them soon, y'all. So we're gonna collaborate and do a big ass meet for y'all. It's a pretty nice big area. I ain't gonna lie, like the spots I could really, you know, y'all already know how we do it, just cruising meet, man. We could really turn this up, like real talk, had the whole thing like for real. So we're gonna get this popping for real. Yeah, man, I told them, man, we gonna have whole street filled up, man. They ain't gonna have nowhere to park. They're gonna be all in the grass back there, but I'm telling you. So let's get this footage for y'all, boy. Check out these clean ass trucks. No cap, telling you.
Dino killing the beat.
What's up? My name's Hunter Smith. Yeah, we specialize in paint corrections, ceramic coatings, detailing of all vehicles, cars, boats, RVs, airplanes. You know, we can take cigarette smell out of cars, just basically deep clean everything. Got our ceramic coating car here. We're about to start, or we already started the process, and we're going to be coating it in the next couple of days. Just a little overview of what we do here. We got a 6,000 square foot facility located in Hammond, Louisiana at 15059 Collegetown Drive, Hammond, Louisiana. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at 2 Bros AD for Instagram and 2 Bros AD for Facebook. My phone number is 985-507-8499. That's my personal cell phone number. You can reach me there as well.
Good. All right, so my question for the channel is, do y'all polish wheels, like?
Oh yeah. So we polish wheels. You know, fuels, Fords, American Forces. Any wheel.
Cool, cause for shows might be hitting y'all up. I got 26x16s custom Fords, and I mean I hand polish them, but I really been trying to find somebody who like really like get in there, deep cleaning, like for real.
Yeah, no, we can definitely bring back that mirror.
I want that mirror shine. Yeah. Cause I really only ride them, like honestly, like sometimes I ride them, sometimes I don't. Like I literally just drop it off here and just like
absolutely
do that.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Slender man. That boy made that ride. Bro.
I got here in like an hour. Swear to God.
Swear. I know you be pushing that bit with that, brother. Really.
My thing said 2 hours 40 minutes. I said we finna make this.
Oh,
I
slide.
was going 80. I passed a couple people up over the shoulder.
Yeah, I see you.
Dino